Hey, if you wonder what features do we lose using Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with non-Samsung phones, let me quickly show you. So currently I'm on the Samsung phone, but I was also connecting them into the Pixel 7 Pro, and we actually lose three things. The first one, the spatial audio. It's called the 360 audio with head tracking. You actually cannot find it on iPhone or other Android device. And also we are losing the game mode, which is known as low latency mode, and it's basically minimized audio delay when you are playing games or, for example, watching videos. And the last thing is the sound quality. So the best sound quality you can get on the latest Samsung phones like Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. On other devices, you will don't get this Samsung audio codec, which means that the sound will be not that good. But still, I was using them with this S21 FE and with my Pixel 7 Pro, and they sound really good. Especially the ambient sound, it's like amazing. Probably the best feature that you can find here. It feels like you don't have anything in your ears and you can hear every sound, every word. And yeah, this is it for this video. The quick information for you right now. Please subscribe.